Hello GX community, this is GXBOB coming to you guys live from Southern, this is not live, I don't know why I said live. Hello, fuck. Hello GX community, this is, Hello GX community, this is GXBOB coming to you guys live. Son of a bitch, I said live again. This is not live. Cut. Hello GX community, this is GXBOB coming to you guys from Southern California live. Son of a bitch. Hello GX community, this is GXBOB coming to you guys from Southern California to ask a few. It's like I seriously have the need to say live and I don't know why. Hello GX community, this is GXBOB coming to you guys from Southern California. There's a lot of you guys out there that are asking me a lot of legitimate questions and I appreciate them. I'm getting them through emails, I'm getting them through the comments section. If I haven't answered them in the comments section, it's because I actually want to save them and do a video. But then there's just that other half of you guys that are just think this channel's a damn joke and you guys are asking me really stupid retarded questions like, what size is your dick? Come on guys, I've said this a million times, this is family channel. It's 6 inches if you don't count the curvature. So as much as I know most of you want to hear the really dumb questions that you guys been sending me and other people's been sending me, and you want to hear them, you want me to answer them, I'm not going to go there because time is money, money is time, and time is money, and money is time. So let's get started. A person by the name of Samantha Charles, and I'm assuming you're some super hot, sweet babe, otherwise I wouldn't be giving you 2 minutes of my time on a beautiful Saturday doing this video. Samantha Charles asks, I want to be able to lock my car with the engine still running and the key fob in my pocket. I was able to do this with my Cadillac SRX. But when I do it on my GX, it will not let me lock the doors. First of all, Samantha, I'm going to forgive you for putting Lexus and Cadillac in the same sentence. If you ever do it again, I don't know you anymore and I'm going to block you. Cadillac and Lexus, get the fuck out of here. So we are going to answer that question for you, Samantha. We will start the car, we will let it run, and we will go in the house and lock the door, okay? With our key fob still in our pocket. The next question came from another follower and asks, my navigation screen is super dark. I have set the settings to really high on that little odometer brightness thing. I set it all the way to high. I even gone through all my settings and I set them to high, but navigation screen is still dark and I can't figure out why. And I can answer that one for you too. Okay, so let's go ahead and knock 2 birds out with 1 stone, guys. Ooh. Let's do this. Sweet. Oh yeah, let's do this. Let's go ahead and step on the brakes, start the car. Engine is on. So let's go ahead and get out of our car with the key fob in our pockets. So obviously, the engine is running and we can't lock the door. No matter how many times I push lock, it will not lock the door. Even when we push lock, it will automatically unlock. So no matter what we do, we cannot lock our vehicle while the engine is running. So what you do, Samantha, you take your key fob. In your key fob, you have a spare key. You see this lever right here? You push this lever to the side and you open up your spare key. You stick your spare key right in here and you turn it counterclockwise. Once you turn it counterclockwise, you put this back inside your key fob. Now your doors are locked. You go over here, your doors are locked. So, as you could tell, the engine is still running. If you want to get back into your car, same thing, reverse the process. Push this lever to the other side, take it out. Now you want to turn your key clockwise. When you turn it clockwise, now you can open the door. Once you go back in the car, you step on the brakes and the engine still stays on. You're good to go. Now let's go ahead and answer the next question. Why is my navigation screen dark no matter how high I put the settings on to bright? If you take a look, I have an obstruction on my dash. Baseball cap, it could be anything, doesn't matter. If I remove the baseball cap, my screen turns bright again. Now if I cover that sensor up here with the baseball cap like most people do, the screen's going to turn dark. So I hope that video helped out for those of you that want to keep your engines running and forgot something in the house and need to run into the house and don't feel very safe leaving the doors unlocked. That is how you do it. A lot of people are able to do that without going through that key method. It's because they have an aftermarket alarm system built in, and instead of using the OEM brain to do all of its function, if you put in an aftermarket alarm such as Viper, Carbine, Clifford, it bypasses your OEM brain and it goes through all the functions that the aftermarket alarm sets for it. So that's why when you have an aftermarket alarm and you're able to start your engine from inside the house and the doors are still locked, it's because it's going through the aftermarket alarm. It's not going through your Lexus OEM. So I hope that helps answer your question, Samantha Charles. And I also hope that you never, ever, ever, ever say the bad C word ever again. Cadillac, get the fuck out of here.